Welcome to Bazaar, where we make it easy for you to plan events and find vendors perfect for your events. So today we're going to go over everything that you need to know for the homepage. So right when you log in, we of course are well mannered and we greet you. Good evening, depending on the time of the day. Right next to it, you see your profile views of the week. Then right next to that, you see the inquiries, how many inquiries that you've received during the week. If you click here, you get to see how, whether if you want to manage your business, which you can see your overview of your calendar, or you get to share your business. When you click on share business, you get to see your QR code. So once you see your QR code, you have two options of sending a link. You can send your link, your profile link, through here by clicking here, or your inquiry form link. So your profile link is shared with your business page, and we'll check that out in a minute. But this gives clients the access to your profile that you built on Bazaar. So the more beautiful your profile page looks, the higher the chance of you getting booked. So make sure you set that up nicely. So over here, you'll get to share your link with your client with your inquiry form, which we'll go over during the inquiry section. You can also copy your said links depending on what you set on your profile. So you can copy your Instagram link to send to people, your TikTok link, your Facebook link, your Twitter link, and your website link. Let's say you're in another month. If you click on today, it will jump back to this month or today. You can click here to jump to any months that you want. So if you want to see what we got in October, boom. Now, if you want to create a new event, you just click here, you click on add one, and then you create a new event, which we can set that for June 30th. So if you don't toggle this on, this becomes a public event, which anybody is free to join. And if you toggle this link, it becomes a private event where the only people who have access to this are the people who you send the RSVP link to. So here's the event that we just created. So if you click on the question mark, this jumps into shortcuts. Let's say you want to view your reviews. Type that in and you could view your reviews right here. Let's say you want to jump to your contract page. As you can see, you can view your contracts right here that you uploaded. This bell icon, once you press it, you can see all of your notifications located over here. And then you could click on your profile page to go to your settings, to go to your templates, to go to your shortcuts. For me, since I'm an admin, I have access to this. You guys don't have access to this, so don't worry about this. Or you can log out, and this is where you log out. But that's pretty much it on this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.